How to fix Power BI desktop login issues. To fix Power BI desktop login issues, try 1. Check your credentials and re-enter them correctly. 2. Troubleshoot your Windows Internet if possible. 3. Met proxy authentication error? Then whitelist or allow list these domains on the proxy authentication server, app.powerbi.com, api.powerbi.com. Domains in this star.analysis.windows.net. Namespace. And for government cloud users, allow these instead, app.powerbi.gov.us, api.powerbi.gov.us. Domains in this star.analysis.uscocloudapi.net. Namespace. 4. Change the protocol, HTTP into HTTPS.